everybody, it's Magic Craft here, and today we're going to be doing another video. Today, as you can see by the title of the video, I'm going to be opening, well, my first Pokemon packs on YouTube, but I actually have opened some before. But, so, I'm also going to be reacting with, my cousin Tyler. Say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, so I'm just going to be reacting with him, too. So, yeah. So, I'm going to have to put you down for a sec, Tyler. And I'm actually going to have to put both of these down. I'll just have to put the camera like right there, ish. So, I got double crisis packs. I'll show Tyler too, double crisis. And,
What
yeah.
packs?
Double crisis packs. Okay. Dang it. This thing is hard to open. Dang it. Yeah. I did not bring any scissors or anything. Hey, Taylor. By the way, subscribe to Skull Candy 123. Skull Candy like a sweet 123. And Taylor, what's your YouTube channel name?
YOLO YouTuber.
YOLO YouTuber. So subscribe to both of those guys because those are Tyler and Taylor. So yeah, okay. Okay, finally. So one pack. Come on. This thing is so hard to open. 2. 3. 4. I am very clean opening them. Oh, and I got a coin. Ah. Got this coin.
TCG? I'm gonna open a pack right now.
Okay. I'm not. Oh, okay. He's gonna open a pack right now. I just want to show you guys that.
Here it goes.
Okay.
This is Pokemon TCG. If you guys want to get it, it's available on iPad, only iPad or computer.
Yep. Let's see. Okay. 2 flip cards. Nice.
Okay. Oh, Yetaville. Yay.
Ooh, he's pretty cool.
Okay. Okay.
And
Another one.
another Yetaville. Not bad. Okay, so continuing. Now I'm gonna open these packs, and I'm not gonna give anyone the code cards because I play Pokemon TCG too. So, yeah. First, I'm gonna open the fire one. So, Tyler, what's the trick? What's it?
The 3, you know, 3 at the back?
Yeah?
Put those ones at the front.
Wait, so, which way do I put it? Like, which way? Like, the Pokemon way or the card way?
Like, take the 3 and then put it in the front.
So, like, this way?
Yeah.
Okay, so, 1, 2, 3. Put them in the front and flip it. Okay. Ooh! A Muck Hollow. I'll take that. You want to see that too, Tyler? He's pretty cool. Okay. Next, we have a Team Magma's Secret Base. Okay. I'll just show you guys that. Then Team Aqua's Great Ball. Ooh, that's pretty cool. Look at that. Team Aqua's Great Ball. Then Zangoose. Here we go. Zangoose right here. Zangoose. Poochyena. Poochyena. Right here. Poochyena. Nothing really good so far. Seal. And it's not first generation Seal. It's this Seal. And then I think this is the last card. Team Magma's Great Ball. Ooh, that one looks cool too. So I got Team Aqua Great Ball, and it's a reverse hollow. And that was the last card, so not too bad, not too bad. And that was the first pack. So So, second pack. Come on. There we go. Come on. Open up. 1, 2, 3. And boom. So, reverse hollow seal. Again. Last time. So, yeah. Ooh. Sharpedo hollow. Look at that. That actually looks pretty cool. Look at that. Look at that Sharpedo hollow. What else we got? We got, ooh, special energy. Double aqua energy. Some double aqua energy. I actually have no water energy, so actually that sounds pretty good. Magma pointer. I don't even know. I mean, I'll take it. It's not a hollow or reverse hollow. Sevi Piper. Okay. He's on Team Aqua, so okay. Ball toy. Ball toy. A ball toy. Is that a hollow? No. And I think this is the last pack. Yeah, last card. Larion. He looks pretty cool. Larion. And I do have fighting type Pokemon energy. So that was the second pack. So now, Tyler, which pack should we open next? The water or the fire? Team Aqua or I forget the other team. Huh? Tyler.
Fire.
Fire, okay. Open fire. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's 3. Put it at the front and boom. Okay, Claydol. Reverse hollow. Okay, it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. But I can't use them because I don't have any psychic energy. Oh my god! Oh my god! Dude! I just got a Kyogre EX full art! Kyogre EX full art!
Oh my god!
Look at that! That deserves a like. Please like for that. Oh my god. Look at that. That's my second EX ever. Oh my god.
Wow.
Let's go. Team Magma's great ball again. Thank you for telling me to open the fire pack.
Yeah.
Team Aqua's Grunt. And I think that was the last one. Nope, it wasn't. Wait. Was it the last one? I don't know. No, it wasn't. It wasn't. Ball toy. Psychic. Is that a hollow? Nah. Numble. Okay. I don't know. Numble. Okay. I don't know. Okay. And the last one is Mightyena. Team Magma's Mightyena. No, Mightyena? I don't know. But that was the last one. That's the best pack yet. Look at that. Kyogre EX. Just look at that beauty. Just look at that beauty. Look at that.
Wow.
Okay. And now we have Team Aqua. Team Aqua, this is going to be the last pack, which kind of sucks. But, you know, you gotta do what you gotta do in these streets. Okay, get the last 3. Boom, put on that. Boom. Ooh, look at that. Okay. CLO, reverse hollow. Not bad, not bad. I'll take that.
Okay.
Another muck. Is that a hollow? Yep, that's a hollow. Another muck hollow. Well, I don't know. I forget if the other one was hollow. Team Aqua's Great Ball again. Team Magma Grunt. Larion again. Ooh, Grimer. Not bad, because I have Muck. And last card is Aaron. So those are all of the packs. Actually, I was only able to find one code card. Where's the other code cards? Where are the other code cards? Look, this is the only code card. I'm not showing the thing, the other thing. Where's the code cards? There's no code cards. Where are the code cards? There's no code cards. Great. From all of that hard work, I only got one code card. So, yeah. What? 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 I did not hear you. But yeah, so here's, stuff that I got. Nothing really good except for this awesome Kyogre EX. Now just look at that. Just look at that card. Come on, focus. It didn't focus. Doesn't matter. So remember to subscribe to Skull Candy 123. And also remember to subscribe to YOLO YouTuber. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.